The Lord says, assuredly, the evil man will not go unpunished, but the descendants of the righteous will be delivered. Proverbs chapter 11, verse 21. Martine was taken from us too soon. I remember her telling me, children are the gifts we give the world. And I want to start by telling Jamie that we mourn with her for the loss of her mother, and that we are so grateful for the gift that Martine gave us in Jamie. Let us bow our heads and pray.
Fanny Maria, a word.
That's 2 words.
Tanny Kukumur says you helped with the catering. I'd love to cover your costs. A little donation from the Quip.
Well, that's very kind of you, but actually all the food was donated already, so there are no costs. Thank you, though. Will you excuse me?
Of course.
So many people.
Yeah. Grace said Van Veek gave her money in Martine's memory to help her get started in Cape Town.
Must be feeling very charitable. He just offered to pay for all the funeral catering.
He'd like it best if we thanked him in the paper for it.
Did Mr. Ravi give Grace anything?
As if.
Do you know that he's still campaigning against us? He threatened to get all our advertisers to drop us.
Shame, man. Looks like everyone abandoned Grandpops and Martine's daughter. Let me go get him a cup of coffee. Coffee, one?
Oh, why, thank you, young lady.
Anything for you?
I'm good.
Such a sad day.
Yeah.
I always picture her in yellow, you know. In a yellow dress, like a sunflower.
She'd look beautiful in yellow. Well, are you...
Oh, gosh.